Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Precious here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the best tricks on how to wear your off-shoulder tops with your bra. Hi guys, it's not classy at all, it's not flattering. The hand of this top is a long sleeve, so I'm just going to take advantage of that and put the hand of the bra into my top. You can simply take off the hand of your bra when styling a sleeveless off shoulder top, so it doesn't need to come out and stress you. So it's simple, you just have to pin it at the back. Here is a complete look with a red off shoulder top and a wide leg black pants. You can see it's gorgeous and classy without the hand of my bra showing. This is another top. It can be styled as off shoulder and also as a cropped top. Very difficult to style with my bras. Will I throw it away? Nope. I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I styled this top with a bra. I love this bra so much. It's very sticky. It literally solves 95% of the problem. It's sticky, it's handless, it's backless. You can wear it with your backless gown, backless tops. It's versatile. You just have to paste it. It's very easy to wear. If you haven't seen the tricks that suit you most, don't worry, keep watching. I will show you some other tricks that will suit your style. This is the final look. This top serves as off shoulder and also as a crop top. I paired it with this black trouser and a sneakers. Another trusted method. I remove the hand of my bra in front and I hook them together. It's trustworthy, don't worry, it won't fall off. All you have to do is to adjust the size of the hand of the bra to fit into your stomach properly, and that's it. This is a complete outfit. It's not showing, nobody will know. I paired the top with a suit trouser and sneakers with the black bag. still the same bra arc. So we are going to DIY this top into off shoulder top. So this is a v-neck red long and top, so we are just going to change it to off shoulder. You see, it's always classy and unique. In case you're coming across this channel for the very first time, this is a fashion YouTube channel. We do a lot of fashion activities here, including easy, simple, classy ways to style fashion trends, fashion trendy items, fashion vlogs, girly lifestyle, simple skincare routine, and fashion photography. If that interests you, click on the subscription button to subscribe. I upload it 3 times in a week on your notification button so you don't miss out on any of the videos. This is the final look. This is a white leg jeans pant style with off shoulder black top. So guys, we have come to the end of this video today. Do not forget to click on the subscription button to subscribe. Do not forget to click on the thumbs up button to like this video, and also leave a comment for me. Tell me about your favorite look and any other thing you want to tell me. Just tell me in the comment section below. I'll make sure I answer all your questions, reply all your comments. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Love you. Bye.